Welcome to BrainyBytes. In today's video, we are going to learn about the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Let's know some important points about his life, his principles, and his family. Mahatma Gandhi's full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. His father's name was Karamchand Gandhi and his mother's name was Putlibai Gandhi. He was married to Kasturiba Gandhi at age of 13. Gandhiji had four sons, Arilal, Manilal, Ramdas, Devdas Gandhi. He was assassinated on 30th January 1948 by Nathuram Godes. Gandhiji studied law in London and later went to South Africa in 1893 to practice law, where he started his fight against injustice and discrimination and founded National Indian Congress in 1894. Introduced first Satyagraha in 1906. He believed in truth means Satya and non-violence means Ahimsa. Gandhiji returned to India in 1915, joined Indian National Congress on advice of Gopal Krishna Gokhale, started Satyagraha Ashram at Sabarmati, Ahmedabad in 1917. When he returned to India, he led many important movements such as Champaran Satyagraha in 1917, his first Satyagraha in India for indigo farmers in Bihar, Kheda Satyagraha in 1918 against high land taxes in Gujarat. Next, Ahmedabad Mill Strike means a hunger strike in 1918 to support textile workers. Then Rowlatt Satyagraha in 1919, then Non-Cooperation Movement 1920-22, then Civil Disobedience Movement in 1930, then Quiet India Movement in 1942, then Gandhi Urine Act in 1931. These are all the important movements led by Mahatma Gandhi. The title Mahatma was given to Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi by Rabindranath Tagore. Father of the Nation title given by Subhash Chandra Bose. Gandhiji participated in the second round table conference in London, which was held from September to December 1931. Other important contributions like started horizon movements in 1932 to stop untouchables, published newspapers, promoted Hindu-Muslim unity, education of untouchability, and so on. Next, these are all important books written by Mahatma Gandhi himself, like the story of my experiments with truth in 1927, Hindi Swaraj in 1909, and all these books on Mahatma Gandhi written by other authors. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thank you so much.